Hey everyone, welcome back to English Zoo Chat. Today we're doing something super practical, something you will definitely use in real life. Because, let's be honest, when guests come to your home, you want to sound confident, polite, and naturally friendly. Not awkward, not robotic.
Exactly. And believe me, Bella, many English learners freeze in these moments. They think, what do I say? How do I sound polite? Is my English too direct? Or even worse, they just smile and say nothing.
Yes, and that can feel uncomfortable for you and the guest. So today we're fixing that. We're giving you real phrases, real examples, and real natural English that native speakers use when someone visits their home.
Because welcoming someone is not just about words. It's about energy, warmth, hospitality, and the right expressions make your guest feel relaxed and appreciated.
So if you've ever wondered, what do I say when someone arrives? How do I invite them inside? How do I offer drinks politely? How do I end the conversation naturally? Don't worry.
Today, we're covering everything. From the moment the guest knocks on your door, to the moment they leave with a smile.
Are you ready to learn natural, friendly English that makes people love visiting your home?
Then let's begin. With step number 1. Greeting your guest the natural way.
Alright, step 1, the greeting. This is the moment your guest sees your face. So your words need to feel warm, comfortable, and natural. Most learners say, hello, come, or sit, which sounds a little too direct. Let's fix that.
Yes. In English, the magic is in the friendly extras. So here are natural greetings you can use the moment you open the door.
Hey, so good to see you. Hi, I'm really glad you came. Welcome. Please come in. These sound warm, relaxed, and very native.
And if the guest is someone you know well, you can add a personal touch. It's been a while. How have you been? You made it. Come on in. That little excitement makes your guest feel appreciated.
And don't forget your tone. You don't have to scream, but a gentle rise in your voice makes a big difference. For example, listen to the difference. Robotic, hello. Welcome. Natural, hey. Welcome. Come on in. Tone equals warmth.
And if you want to sound extra natural, use this friendly line. I'm so happy you're here. Short, simple, and full of warmth.
After greeting them, you move to the next step, inviting them inside politely, because just opening the door is not enough.
And that's exactly what we'll cover in.
So after you greet your guests, the next step is simple but very important. Inviting them inside in a way that feels natural, friendly, and confident. A lot of learners say, come or sit, and while these words are correct, they sound too direct. We want smooth English, not military commands.
Exactly. English speakers use soft invitation phrases. Short, polite, and welcoming. Here are the ones you can use instantly.
Please come in. Make yourself comfortable. Come on in, take your time. These phrases feel warm and natural, not pushy.
And here are some slightly upgraded versions that sound even more native. Come on in, it's good to have you here. Please, come inside. Let me take your coat. Adding a small offer like, let me take your coat, makes you sound confident and caring.
Another tip, when you invite someone in, step slightly to the side. It shows openness and makes the guest feel welcome even before you say anything.
And there's one line English speakers use that sounds extremely natural. Please, come in. I'll be right with you. This is perfect when you're finishing something in the kitchen or setting something up. It tells your guest, "You're welcome here, I'm just coming in a second."
Once they're inside, we move to the next stage, offering a seat or giving a light direction, because guests always wait to be guided. Now that your guest is inside, they will usually stand there waiting, because in many cultures, people don't sit unless the host tells them where. So your next step is to guide them gently.
Yes. And many English learners worry about this moment. They say things like, "Sit here," or "Sit down," which can sound a bit too direct or even a little bossy. Let's fix that.
Here are natural, friendly ways to offer a seat. Please have a seat. You can sit anywhere you like. Make yourself comfortable. These sound soft and welcoming.
And if you want more natural, everyday English, try these. You can sit right here. This spot is comfortable. Please relax. I'll bring something for you. These lines make your guest feel taken care of.
Tone is important too. If you say it slowly and gently, it feels warm. If you rush or sound too serious, it feels stiff.
Another small but powerful tip. While offering a seat, use a small gesture with your hand. Even in audio-only situations, imagine this gesture. It helps you sound more natural and warm.
After they sit, give them a moment to settle. Say something like, "Let me know if you need anything," or "Are you comfortable?" It's simple, but it creates a relaxed atmosphere.
Now your guest feels welcome, settled, and relaxed. Which means you're ready for the next part. Offering something to drink.
Now that your guest is seated and comfortable, the next step is something every good host does: offering a drink. In English, this moment should feel relaxed, not formal or stiff.
Yes. Many learners simply say, "tea" or "water." And while it works, it feels a little short and not very friendly. Let's turn that into natural, native-sounding English.
Here are simple, polite options you can use anytime. Can I get you something to drink? Would you like some water or tea? Can I offer you something? Tea, coffee, juice. These sound effortless and welcoming.
And if you want to sound even more natural, you can personalize your offer. "I just made some coffee. Would you like a cup? I have cold water and lemonade. What would you prefer?" Personal touches make you sound warm, thoughtful, and confident.
You can also offer a gentle suggestion if the guest seems unsure. Take your time. I can bring whatever you feel like. No, hurry. I'll get something ready for you. This reduces pressure and makes the moment comfortable.
And if your guest says yes, a perfect response is, "Great, I'll bring it right over." Or, "Sure, give me a moment." Short, friendly, and clear.
After bringing the drink, place it gently on the table and say, "Here you go," or "Let me know if you need anything else." These tiny phrases are what make your English sound naturally polite.
Once your guest has their drink, the hosting becomes easy. Now the conversation can flow, and you can enjoy the moment.
Which brings us to the final part. Starting the conversation naturally, without awkward silence. Now that your guest is settled and has a drink, it's time for something very important. Starting a natural conversation. Many learners freeze here. They think, "What do I say?" Or "What if I sound awkward?" Don't worry. We'll make it easy.
Yes. In English, small talk is the key. It's not about long speeches. It's about showing interest and care in a friendly way.
Here are some natural phrases you can use. How was your trip here? How's your day going? Did you have any trouble finding the place? These questions are simple, polite, and make the guest feel comfortable.
And if it's a guest you know well, you can make it personal. It's been a while. How have you been? I'm so glad you could come today. How's everything at work? It shows that you remember details about them, which makes your English sound more confident and natural.
Another tip: listen carefully to their answers and respond with interest. Say things like, "That's great. Oh, I see. That sounds fun." These small responses keep the conversation flowing.
Finally, when your guest is leaving, end the visit warmly. Don't just say, "Bye." Use, "It was wonderful having you today. Thanks for coming, let's do this again soon. Safe travels back home." These phrases leave a lasting impression and make you sound polite and caring.
So remember, welcoming guests naturally is all about warm greetings, polite invitations, comfortable seating, offering drinks, and friendly conversation.
Use these steps, and your English will sound friendly, confident, and very natural. Your guests will feel happy and appreciated, and you'll feel proud as a host.
Thank you for joining us today on English Zoo Chat. Practice these phrases and share this video with friends who want to improve their English. See you next time, and keep speaking naturally.